Looking for a pendant lamp holder that is neat and compact and reasonably priced is quite challenging. In this video, I present our Slimline metal lamp holder. By the end of the video, you will know everything you need to know about how to use this lamp holder and if it will fit your requirement. I'm Laurie Smith, and I want to show you a neat, unobtrusive lamp holder made from metal. So this is how the lamp holder arrives. Put your thumb and forefinger to grip the skirt and start by undoing the pull thread. Slide the cover off and then remove the lamp holder, and then the cap, the 10mm thread and the insert, and finally the skirt. So for these lamp holders, they're double insulated, so you just require a 2-core cable. For this one we're using a black cable, and I've stripped the outer cable down by 20mm and then stripped the inner cores back by 5mm on each terminal. To see how to strip cables, have a look on our website on how to prepare cables. So now we'll reassemble the lamp holder. All you need is a slotted screwdriver. So we start off by sliding the cone onto the flex and slide it right out of your way, followed by the cord grip. So the grips go up first and push the wire through, and again slide that out of your way. Then the cover, and slide that again right out of your way, and then we start with the cap, slide it on the cap. Then we take the insert. Now on the insert we always use the live wire to go to the central pin. So the central pin here is the left one, and we simply tighten it down. Then we put the neutral wire into the other pin, which is the edge terminal, and again tighten down firmly but not over tightening. The cap has a little notches in it, and you need to line up the notches in the cap. Then we slide on the plastic skirt and screw it down, and you'll hear it ratchet as it tightens down, and that is right. It's supposed to lock so that it won't undo after you've tightened it up. Next, slide up the metal cover. Hold with your thumb and forefinger while you slide down the base, the body of the cord grip, and the 10mm thread tightens into the top of the lamp holder. And finally slide the cone up to give it the neat finish of your lamp holder. Here we have the available finishes. We'll start with the one we've wired up, the black. Then we've got the rustic copper, the polished copper, the shiny brass, the white, and finally the nickel. Note these lamp holders are not shade compatible. Being that the lamp holder is neat and unobtrusive, I like to wire these up using our smaller roses. So we have the Holloway shape available in all finishes, or we have our 60mm rose, which again is available in all finishes. Or finally, they look quite stunning coming out of the multi-hole roses. If this lamp holder is right for your job, you can go ahead and purchase it. Or if it isn't right for you, why not browse our other pendant lamp holders? Thanks for watching, and please get in touch if you have any other questions.